Maybe back. Okay, we're at 8 of them, right? Let me put them together a little bit. Okay, let's squeeze them together. 8. Okay. That's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we need a whole bunch of skinnies, don't we?
Yes.
We needed a whole bunch of skinnies. Now we need the bits. Okay. Did we do this right so far?
Yes.
Okay. Relax. This is beat disrupt. Okay. All right. Are we good?
Yeah.
Now, what do we know about 23 and 12? What do we know? 23 is what? We know it's 2 skinnies and 3 bits, so what is it? What's 2 skinnies? Jorge, what's 2 skinnies worth? 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3. That look familiar? We do something like this when we do a method?
Yeah.
What method do we store them like that in? Do we break them up like this?
Oh.
That? Break apart? Or there's another one we do this.
It's
20
threes.
plus 3, right? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now who remembers where I put the other meter stick yesterday? Brooke?
Underneath the top 2 pairs of skinnies.
What was the top 2 from where you were sitting? It was actually the bottom 2, right? So I divided this up into, how many this way? How many before the line? How many down? Bradley? 10. So down here we have, so I've divided 12 into 10 plus 2, right? 6. Now what do we do with all these numbers? What do we do with all those numbers? Camden? We add them. What do we get when we add them all together? We have 200 plus 30 plus 40 plus 6. Sabrina?
296. Oh, I got it.
You're close. You're close. Sabrina, you're big. Let's look at the same example. Okay. Now, when we did 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number, like when I did 23, if I did 23 times 4, I only needed 2 boxes, right?
Yes.
How many boxes do you think I need to do 23 times 12? How many boxes do you think I need?
3.
Not 3. Not 3.
4.
4. We need 4.
And then right next to it.
We need to make like a 4 square box. Just like over here when we drew it out, 20 plus 3, right? 20 plus 3. And then, yes?
On the other side, 10 plus 2.
On the other side is 10 plus 2, yes.
Oh.
12 becomes
Oh, you gotta put it
10 plus 2.
Yeah, and then 2 times 20, 10 times 3, and 2 times 3.
Okay, so far, we okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Then in our first box we multiply
plus or times?
10 times 2, 20.
The pluses go on the outside. You're multiplying when you're doing the inside boxes. Yes, Darren?
Are we supposed to be pluses or 10?
This is pluses on the outside. 20 plus 3 makes 23. 10 plus 2 makes 12. But once we get inside the boxes, then we're multiplying inside. So 20 times 10 is still 200, right?
Oh, yeah.
The second box is what? How many?
3 times 10?
10 times 3 or 3 times 10, which is?
30.
30. What do you think goes down in this box? Sydney?
2 times 20.
2 times 20 or 20 times 2, which is what? Zach?
40.
40. And then the last box is what, Danielle?
3 times 2.
3 times 2, which is?
6.
6. And what do we still do with all those numbers? We still add them. And you can either write them out to the side if you need to, or sometimes you don't need to. It's up to you. We get 276 as our answer. Now the other method that you can use is the all partials. Okay, same problem. Now the all partials isn't the boxes, but it's the same kind of idea. In this case we do 2 times 3.
Oh, that's easy.
That's your first partial product. What's 2 times 3? Danielle?
6.
6. Then we still need to use the 2. What's this 2 worth in 23? 20, right? 2 times 20? So that would be 40. Then what's the 1 worth in 12? The 1 in 12 is worth what? How much, Camden?
10.
10. So we multiply 10 times 3, which is 30. And then it's still worth 10. We have to do 10 times the 2 in 23, which is 10 times 20, which is 200, right? And you still get 276.
Yeah.